Hello friends, myself Kajal Suryavanshi. Today's video topic is a hierarchy exception handling in Java. First one is a exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow the application can be maintained. We will learn about Java exception, its types and difference between check and uncheck exception. First one is a what is exception. Dictionary meaning exception is a abnormal condition. In Java, an exception is an event and disrupt the normal flow of the program. It is object which is thrown at runtime. Next is a what is exception handling. Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as a class not found exception and IO exception and remote exception, etc. Next is the advantages of exception handling. Uh, the core advantages of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application. An exception normally disrupt the normal flow and the application that we why we need to handle exceptions. Thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, etc. Suppose there are 10 statements in Java program and the exception occurs at the statement 5. The rest of the code will not be executed. That is statement 6 to 10 will not be executed. However, when we perform a exception handling, the rest of the statement will be executed. We use a exception handling in Java. Hierarchy of exception classes. Java.language.throwable class is a root class of a Java exception. Hierarchy inherited via two subclasses, exception and errors. The hierarchy of a Java exception classes is a first one is a throwable, then in class is a exception and errors. Exception is a IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, and runtime exception. And errors is a stack overflow, virtual machine error, and out of memory exception. And then is a exception is a arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, etc. And then a array list out of bound exception, and a string out of bound exception. Types of a Java exception is there are mainly two types of exception, check and uncheck. An error is considered the uncheck exception. According to Oracle, there are three types of exception, namely first one is a check exception, uncheck exception, and error. Difference between check and uncheck exception. Check exception is a directly inherit the throwable class except runtime exception, and error are known as a check exception. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. and check exception are check at a compile time. Second is the uncheck exception. The class that inherits the runtime exception are known as a uncheck exception. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, etc. Uncheck exception are not a check at compile time, but they are check a runtime. Next is a error. Error is a recoverable. Some example of error are out of memory error, virtual machine error, and assertion of error, etc. Thank you.